Neutrality is maintained in terms of opposition is given time as well as the ruling. But the way this government functions, I seriously have doubts. Jenna Business Advisory Committee meeting where we raise our objections. I have given written objections. Last time the Honorable Speaker said that written objections were not given during the meeting. It was handed over in his office. This time also it has been handed during the BAC meeting. And we have raised several issues about opposition getting time with regards to calling attention, 0 hours with regards to a budget session. Police has to be much more. Several other states, you see, Karnataka, dusre state, they go for 50-60 days. In a year, they have a session. Amcho Sarkar nidla also dista. Anik jenna nidla maga dista ki this is somehow democracy chair maga dista. It is a threat to democracy, and the speaker, being the custodian, has to maintain the neutrality. Aaj though the session is 3 days, definitely all the issues, this Sarkar is today a pot of corruption, failures across all the departments. We see issues that were raised almost 2.5 years back ago. Failures or Sarkar fakt event management Sarkar. This government is only wanting to do events, publicity, spending crores of rupees to show and maintain its window dressing korpak कोट्यांनी रुपया or Sarkar मोठा. या सरकाराचो इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकाराले फिगर्सूय आमी एक्सपोज करतले. खास करून ज्या पद्धतीन आज म्हादयचेर कांयच जायना. वॉटर हॅज बीन डायवर्टेड विथ रिगार्ड्स टू दी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट सेक्टर. आर यूथ्स, दे आर किलिंग आर यूथ्स विथ दी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. हे वाडत आसा. विथ रिगार्ड्स टू करप्शन इन द लास्ट 5 years this is maximum. With regards to the collapse in administration, with regards to roads, उदकाचे इश्यू आज जो 24/7 तास उदो दिवपाचो जो सरकाराचो प्रयत्न जाल्लो तो मागीर म्हणूंक लागले 8 वरां, आतां मागीर मोदें म्हणूंक लागले 4 वरां, आतां 2 वरां उदो लोकांक सारकें मेळना. द वे गोवाज लँड्स आर बींग डिस्ट्रॉयड अंडर कन्वर्जन. द वे गोवाज जी आमची इकॉलॉजी आज ही पाड घालपाक हे सगळे दिल्लीचे शर्मा वर्मा येवन हिंगा 50 कोटीचे फ्लॅट, 10 कोटीचे फ्लॅट हे कोणाक आनी कोणा हुसता. सादारण उदोक सारकें ना, कॅरींग कॅपॅसिटी हे सरकाराची ना, कॅरींग कॅपॅसिटी गोंयची कॅरी केला. सो बेसिकली ऑल दीज इश्यूज with regards to the way they have failed with the national education policy, with the way they have failed with restarting of mining, the way law and order has collapsed, all these issues. Tourism, high-end tourism म्हणटाय. चोयल्यार आतां हिंगा दिसती पडे सगळे कोण नागडे बिगडे भोंवताय. हे हाय-एंड गोंयचे टुरिजम. हेल्मेट घेवन लोकां माताय, गोंयकाराक माताय. शेकाचेर पॉलिसी फेलियर जाली, सगळे भायले मनशां दिले. सो ऑल दीज इश्यूज वी वील टेक अप, बट द ऑनरेबल स्पीकर हॅज टू गिव अस टायम.
सर काल एक ओल्ड गो प्रोटेस्ट जालो, ते काय अपोज करताले थंयसर?
100% दिस इज एक आमगेली एक हेरिटेज आणि ओल्ड गोवा ही हेरिटेज पाड घालपाक जेन्ना एक इको रिसॉर्ट येताले थिंगा, ते इको रिसॉर्ट बंद करपाक इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डाच्या नांवान एक इको रिसॉर्ट येताले विदीन द बफर झोन. आज गोंयचो साहेब थिंगा आहा. इट इज अ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज झोन, बट दीस गव्हर्मेंट डज नॉट डू एनीथिंग. दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. आमची कल्चर पाड घालपाक हेंगेलो प्रयत्न आहा. दे आर वॉन्टिंग टू सेल ऑल द लँड्स. लँड इज द इश्यू. Land is the hot topic across all the departments. The way reckless sale of Goa is happening is the issue across the state. Ekla Mantrin सांगितला, the value of land is more than gold and pearls. So this is the issue. Everyone wants to sell the lands.
पणजे प्रोटेस्ट जालो तेन्ना तुमी दिसोंक ना पणजे?
See, our party people were there for that. Everyone were there. The question is protest. We are with the people. We are in the opposition, and definitely we will raise this issue in the house.
सर आनीक तो तेसा विश्विता विचारले टीसी मंत्री की नांवां सांग म्हणटा म्हणटा की युरीक चड खबर आसा. कितें म्हणटा तो? कितें सांगता?
Directly हांव सांगता की all the people whoever have converted land, especially MLAs, this is basically a reckless sale. Do you all stamp it? I सांगितलं का you expose the names, let the names come out. हावजान दीत म्हणून चोया कांटी नांवां We will ask him or to reveal the name.
आणि निंबाळकर तुमचे असा
पवन खेरे यांच्यानी दिल्लीत सांगलं की गोवा PWD 300 करोड स्कॅम झाला. गोवा काँग्रेस हाचेर काय उलयना फक्त
Our input has been given by Goa Congress because this has been related to the issues of the visit of the Prime Minister. This is an issue and the input is been given by Goa Congress. Don't try to create rift. We are one. Hingai Congress, Ami Congress, kind differences to create korban sonnaka. Basically, the issue is about post facto approval. The way this government has been moving, post facto approvals giving day and night. This Sarkar, Pramod Sawant Sarkar, is a post facto Sarkar. And on nomination basis, basically looting the entire system in the state, and this is nothing but promoting corruption.
सर निंबाळकर तुमचे सर सर
This is not Delhi Congress. This is Congress. Not Delhi. This is the AICC, All India Congress. The visit was highlighted because the Prime Minister was also part of these ceremonies where wasteful expenditure has been done in crores of rupees.
सर निंबाळकर
डिटेल